When was the last time you got out in nature, got outside, and just sat there and listened? Listened to the nature doing its thing. I just heard the other day that we've had a 25% reduction in pollution worldwide through this coronavirus experience. Nature has its own way of healing itself. Humans may not be able to solve the problem of climate change, but nature will heal itself at some point. I was going to read a book that started my Sustainable 3 journey today, but it's going to take a little bit more video editing skills than I'm ready to do this morning. So I'm going to work on that today and have that for you tomorrow. But I would like to encourage you to get outside today and just sit. So as we do our breathing exercise today, I'd like you to just notice what sounds you hear on this video. Maybe it's birds chirping. Maybe it's the chattering of a squirrel chewing on its nuts. Or maybe it's the wind blowing. Just try to notice what you notice. So turning mindful bodies on, and just like this tree behind me. So this tree has roots that go down into the earth as deeply as its branches go up into the sky. So there's balance there. Balance. So imagine from the waist down, you're like a tree with your roots growing into the earth. And from the waist up, you're like a tree growing its branches up into the sky. And close your eyes, allowing your body to feel just a little bit heavier. And breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in. And out, just let it go, let your shoulders relax, resting your hands in your lap. And in. And out. Keep breathing. And I'm going to get quiet so you can listen to the sounds. Just breathing, noticing the rise and fall of your chest. You might hear the wind chimes in the distance. You might hear the train horn way off in the distance. We are all a part of nature. So the cars and the trains are all part of our environment. How many birds do you hear chirping? How many different bird sounds do you hear? Lifting the corners of your mouth, making a little smile on your face today. You can be so very thankful for nature. Keep breathing. Flutter your eyes open. Release meditation. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, I was going to read from Barbara Papa's book, the Barbara Papa's ARC book today, but I'm going to need to do a little bit of video editing before I can do that. So I hope to have that ready for you tomorrow. I hope you get a chance to get outside today, even if it's just for a couple minutes. Get outside, breathe some fresh air, and just listen to what nature you can hear. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.